Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your PNC Mortgage account. So let's get started. First, open any browser that you like. Then in the search bar, type in PNC Mortgage, then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as pnc.com. In my case, it's the first one. Now, tap on the sign on button. And here you need to provide your login credentials to log into your PNC account. So go ahead and type your user ID in the text field given for user ID. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can check this box that says remember user ID so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on this text that says forgot ID or password. Now, to log into your PNC account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you'll be successfully logged in if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. It was this simple. I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to our channel TechUp. Feel free to drop any of your questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.